Okay, today we will see these two equations. We will try to solve the solution for this equation. We find the value of x. So we start from the first equation here. 9 the power of 2x is equal to 27 the power of 2x plus 1. This is the first equation. The second equation will be we will after we solve the first equation we try to solve the second equation. Let us start from this first equation. As you see, 9 means 3 times 9, 3 times 3, which is 3 the power of, we can write 9, 3 the power of 2, which means 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So we can write 9 like this. 3 is the power of 2 into 2x. We have already 2x here. In the 27, the power of 2x plus 1 means, as we know, 27 means 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 is the power of 3. We can write like this. After that, we have here we already 2x plus 1. So after doing like this, you can, as we see, we have the same number. So we leave this two number if they have the same number. We have to take only this power or exponent of the number. So after we make the same these numbers, we can take the exponent of the number. So when we take the exponent, the first equation, the left side of equal sign is 2 times 2x, which is 4x. 4x is equal to this 3 times 2, 6x, 6x plus 3. Then we can bring this equation to left side of equal sign. When come here, it will be opposite sign or negative. So 4x minus 6x, which is equal to 3. So here when we subtract 6x from 4x, we get 2x, which is equal to 3, and we have x, the power of x is equal to, we can divide both sides by minus 2, here also by minus 2, we get that as the final answer is equal to minus 3 over 2. So this is solution for the value of x. To check if this answer is correct, you can substitute the value of x here in the here. You can check whether the left side of equation and the right side of equation are equal. So this is the final answer for the first equation. Let us do for the second equation. For the second equation, we have here, this is the first equation of this equation. The second equation says that cube root of 81 the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 the power of x. So as we know, the cube root is the power of 1 over 3, so we can write this 81 81 80. Let us write again. Let us 81 the power of 81 the power of 2x minus 1 is the power of, we can say that 1 over 3. 1 over 3 cube root is the power of 1 over 3 is the same as that, so is equal to 3x. We write this as it is. 81 is, as we know, 81 is 3 is the power of 4. So 3 is the power of 4 into 2x minus 1. Again, we have here 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So after writing this, we leave 3x as it is, 3 is the power of x as it is. Then we, as we see, we have the same number here, we leave the number and we take only the power of that number. If once again, if the number is the same, we can take only the exponent of that number. So the power of this number is this. So we can take that for we can multiply for we can write 4 over 3, this 4 over this 3 into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3 the power of x. We can write like this. After writing this like this, we can multiply both sides of this. Okay, sorry, here we have only take the power. We have to take only x, this x, not 3 the power of x. So we can take this only the power. Since they have the same number, we can take only the exponent of the number. So when we can multiply both sides by 3 over 4 to simplify. So this 3 cancelled by 3, 4 by 4. We can multiply this 3 over 4. So we get that 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3x over 4. We can write like this. After that, we can simplify again. Let us subtract from 2x 6 over 4. So when we multiply, subtract 3x over 4, which is equal to 1 will be back to as the right of equal sign, which is equal to 1. Since it is minus, when move to left side of right side of equation, it become 1. So after doing this, let us cancel some of the equation. Let us bring this here. Let us bring this here. We have we can take both sides, which is for common multiple. 8x minus 3x. We can write 8x minus 3x means which is 5x over 4, which is equal to 1. After that, we can say that we can multiply crisscross. Here we have 1 crisscross. When we multiply crisscross, 5x is equal to 4 times 4, 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. So the value of x will be 4 over 5. So this is the solution for this equation. So we can do like this. If you have any question, suggestion, you can leave your question under comment of this video, and you have to subscribe our channel before comment your question. Don't forget to like our video and to share for your friends. For today, as this is all about, we will do for future so many mathematics question. Let us subscribe my channel and we will learn together. Thank you very much for today. ዛሬ እንግዲህ እነዚህም ሁለት ጥያቄዎች ባጭሩ እንዴት እንደሚሰሩ አይተናል። ሁለቱም ጥያቄዎች ላይ ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ጥያቄያችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ማስቀመጥ ትችላላችሁ። ለዛሬ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ። ደህና ሁኑ።